My name is Trudy Senda. I live on Kauai, and I am a judge of the District Court of the Fifth Circuit. Part of my duties as a District Court judge on Kauai include sitting as a judge in the traffic court. When I think about Law Day 2013, I think about how most people who may never ever run into a courtroom situation again, how most of these people are drawn into court and what their situation is. And I think about traffic court. Over 95% of all public contact with the court system comes in traffic court. And for most of these people, they have never before and will never again encounter that situation. As a traffic court judge, I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't be afraid of the experience and that you should rest assured that even though you may just be a normal person who works for a living, who's never been in a courtroom before, that you are not powerless in our criminal justice system, and that you do have the power and the right to have your fair day in court and to seek justice in our system. I want to tell you that just because you have been issued a citation by a law enforcement officer that wears a uniform, that doesn't necessarily mean that what the officer says will be given more weight than what you or your witness may say to the judge at the time of your trial. I'm reminded when I think about courts and judges and how people may not understand our system, I'm reminded of what I did just this morning, and that was speak to third, fourth, and fifth graders at a local elementary school. I was there to talk to them about what the job of a judge was. I passed around some pictures of Lady Justice holding the scales of justice. And in many of the pictures, Lady Justice had a blindfold. And I asked these youngsters, why do you think Lady Justice has a blindfold? Why is it that she can't see? Well, third, fourth, and fifth grade wisdom was varied. And then I finally explained to them that Lady Justice had a blindfold because in rendering justice and making a fair, objective, and just decision, a judge cannot and should not be blinded by outward trappings. And they all agreed with me. All of these youngsters agreed with their pure hearts and with their sincere mind frames that a decision shouldn't be made on what clothing you're wearing, what color your skin is, how rich you look, whether you resemble physically the decision maker. These trappings should not affect the judge's decision. And that's why I'd like to reassure you, if you do perchance find yourself coming to a courtroom in Hawaii and sitting in front of a traffic court judge, to have faith in the system and understand that you are empowered and that we do care and that you can realize the dream and you can participate in a system that provides equality for all. Thank you.